Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about gas valve, NAT for Pitco part #602030001CL. The gas valve, NAT for Pitco part #602030001CL is a natural gas valve designed for use with Pitco fryers. It is a direct replacement part for the original gas valve that came with the fryer. The gas valve is designed to regulate the flow of natural gas to the fryer, ensuring that it operates safely and efficiently. The valve features a manual shut-off lever and an adjustable pressure regulator to control the flow of gas. It also has an integrated safety pilot light that indicates when the gas is on or off. This part is made from durable materials and this part fixes the following symptoms. 1. Turn off the gas supply to the appliance. 2. Disconnect the existing gas valve from the appliance. 3. Remove any debris or dirt from the area where the new valve will be installed. 4. Install the new gas valve using a wrench to tighten it securely in place. 5. Connect the gas line to the new valve using a flare nut and wrench to secure it in place. 6. Turn on the gas supply and check for leaks with a soapy water solution or leak detector spray around all connections and fittings of the new valve. 7. Test the operation of the new valve by turning it on. Here is how you install this part. The gas valve, NAT for Pitco part #602030001CL is used to regulate the flow of gas to a gas-fired appliance. It can help to ensure that the appliance is operating safely and efficiently by controlling the amount of gas that is supplied to it. This valve can help to prevent dangerous levels of gas from entering the appliance, as well as help to reduce energy costs by ensuring that only the necessary amount of gas is used. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.